Dear supporters, thank you for your support in these very challenging times. Swathalim Foundation has always been driven through the support of people and community who believe in the potential of our girls and in the power of education. We are extremely grateful to you for this. Today, our campaign is supported by 140 people, and we hope that this community grows in the coming days. We are also very excited to share what we've been doing on ground. We are in advanced conversations with Radio Mewat, a community radio channel, to implement an integrated radio learning program aligned to language learning and well being for our girls. We are also scheduling demos with a third party vendor for setting up an interactive voice response system that will enable us in sharing targeted messages and learning content with our girls. We had our first virtual meeting with school leaders from all 5 KGBV schools. We discussed our common challenges and problem solved on ways to go forward. What came across strongly in this discussion was the awareness our school leaders had about the gendered impact of the pandemic on girls' education. To quote what they had shared, even if families of the girls have smartphones at home, they only get access to it late at night when their fathers are back home from work and when they are done with household chores. Expecting them to acquire learning outcomes which are academic is not fair at this time. Solutions on leveraging the community radio channel and on establishing the interactive voice response platform were encouraged by the school leaders and was also seen as contextually appropriate. Across all the 5 KGBV schools, we have started collecting updated contact details of the girls and their parents. This will go a long way in helping our teachers and field workers to connect and engage with our girls. The crisis is teaching us that we need to pay more attention to the content that we are teaching. It has to be one that is relatable, taking into account the context of the girls. Towards this, we have been contextualizing the curriculum, making it more gender sensitive and culturally appropriate. For example, while covering the lesson on food and resources, the knowledge of local plants and their contribution to food, and a gender lens to analyze agriculture and nutrition in their own community is also covered. We are also creating digitized illustrative bilingual stories of Indian women role models that our girls can have access to as a language learning resource. We are researching, collating, and contextualizing learning content and activities that can be shared through low tech platforms and also activities that are easily relatable and worked on independently by our girls at this point of time. Thank you for your support, and we hope you stay safe and continue to inspire and support many more people. We will continue to communicate updates from the field every 15 days, sharing what we've been able to achieve together.